Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want you to stay with me on this video because I want you to see what's going on here. We are having a snowstorm right now, and it's my first time to experience snowstorm. It's my first time to see a very thick layer of snow. So as for you know, I just came here in the US, and this is my first winter experience, and I really need to go out, guys, because I have to see my car. I haven't seen my car since last night. I feel like there's a mountain of snow covering my car right now. I need to cover it up, remove all those snow and cover it up, because tomorrow I need to go to work, so that it's not so difficult tomorrow to, you know, clear the snow from my car. I haven't really went out since yesterday, and you know, I want you to stay with me until later, and let's check my car. I'm already bundled up and ready to go, so let's go. I can't even open the door, guys. Look. Oh my goodness, guys. Ah. So, guys, yep. It's very thick. The snow is so thick. And my car is all filled with the snow, so we need to like put the cover. I can't even open the door because it's all filled with ice. So I think we need to like start the car. I don't know what to do. So, gusto ko lang naman kunin yung cover ng sasakyan nandito sa likod. Kaya lang, hindi ko ma-open eh. Puro ice. Oh my God. Ang hirap. Oh God. Ang hirap. So guys, I really don't know whether I'm doing the correct thing. I feel like I'm stupid, seriously. So what I did, I went inside the car, I opened the car, and maybe the heater would help to like melt down the ice on my car trunk, and then hopefully I can open it later. I feel like stupid. I really don't know what I'm doing, or what I'm doing is correct, but that's what I did. I'm here inside the car. I turn on the heater, and hopefully it helps to melt the ice, so I can open the car trunk, because I need to get the cover. I need to scrape down some ice and then I put the cover, and then hopefully tomorrow it won't be that bad. Because as you can see, my car is my car is filled with so much snow right now. I really don't know how to go out tomorrow when I need to go to work. So guys, you're free to comment down below on what do you think is the best thing to do in case you encounter this. So let's wait for it and see whether it's successful or not. So guys, what I did, I climb up. Very clever. I climb out. I'm back to my car seat. Oh. cover it and remove all the snow. So guys, I'm done. Look, I managed to remove all the ice and snow on the windshield, and then I cover it with the that thing, insulated cover or something. So I hope tomorrow everything will be okay, and I just want to go to work tomorrow without anything bad happen to me, you know, guys. So now I'm back to my house. So just give me a moment. Guys, I'm back inside my house. Ooh, that's not easy. Oh my gosh, guys. So challenging. I feel like my cheeks are numb right now because it's so cold outside. I've been there for like an hour, and I'm just hoping that tomorrow my car is okay. I mean, it's okay to drive to work. Oh guys, bye for now, and thank you for watching my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.